What are they, Maxie?
I forget.
Rosellas.
Rosellas. They're eating the flowers.
Yeah. Do you think they're mum and dad?
Yeah, probably.
Look.
They're hungry.
Yeah. So I can't see it, but up there might be their babies calling out to them.
And like it's over here. It's hard to see a tiny bit.
Yeah, they look beautiful. No, that's an Indian miner. They chase the Rosellas away.
Hun?
They chase the Rosellas away.
I think the Rosellas really don't care.
No, they're going for their food. See that Indian miner trying to get him? They're ready to fight because their babies must be up there. You can hear them.
There's another packet down there. Look over to your right on the tree. That must be like their baby.
Oh yeah.
This came back from school cross country, yeah. Came fifth.
Fifth in cross country. Cool, eh?
It's hard.
Yeah, and you complained you didn't get an award. What did I say?
Last year, 10th under got award.
Yeah, well, only first, second, and third should get an award.
I know, that's not it. I can lift this. Josh!
Look, this Indian miner's back. Oh, he brought a buddy. Yeah. Alright, that was pretty cool. Oh, oh.
Yeah. Please leave a like and subscribe. If you want to see more of these vlogs, then leave a like and subscribe. I can lift this. Just
Alright.
do it. Leave a like and subscribe. Just do it.
Love you.
Love